There's a lot of products out there that are marketed or designed to help your dog get around or help you help them if they have arthritis. Today, we are going to look at Pawks. These are socks for dogs. They are labeled as anti-slip socks for your dog. They provide traction, paw protection, scratch prevention, mobility support for senior dogs. Be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video to get the care score. Looking at the packaging, it's nice. There's not any sort of excessive packaging. We've got 4 socks here and it tells you exactly what they're for. Pretty clear. There's a cute little Yorkie wearing some Pawks or socks on here. If you are one that reads directions, then you can measure your dog's foot and get which size it is. The cost is $10.99. And this, I just picked these up at my local pet store. Take one off and it feels exactly like a sock, and the bottom has a little kind of grippy things. So I think, just in terms of sturdiness, it looks like it's going to be a sock like any other sock that you and I would have. And then this grippiness, we'll see. It's in the shape of a paw pad, which is probably for cuteness more than actual, need. But we'll give it the real test and stick them on Beans and see what we think. They say it's guaranteed, built to last, mix and match. There's different colors that you could mix and match and get some matching ponchos or coats. Machine washable, so that's good. And then the tip is to make sure your dog's toenails are trimmed first, and dogs may prance when first wearing the Pawks. Distract the dog with their favorite toy or treat until they get used to wearing the Pawks. All right, so I think it's time, the moment of truth here. We'll get Beans wearing her Pawks, and Beans is kind of a perfect example. She's 12, and she does have hip arthritis and definitely has a hard time on the hardwood floors. So we'll see if these help her get around. Beans has never worn socks, so we'll see how this goes. First of all, I do think I picked the right size. Let's see. All right, it's pretty cute so far. Okay, so Pawks are on. Let's see how she does on the hardwood floors. As expected, it feels pretty funny for her. This is actually a pretty good rehab tool if we were working on range of motion, but there we go. Good girl. So I have to say that I was really skeptical about these socks, and this is working out a little bit better than I expected. I definitely expected her to walk funny and pick up her legs like she is, but she's tolerating them more. She's not trying to kick them off like I expected, and I can tell that they are providing some grip. So Beans is doing better than I expected with the socks on, but I'm still going to be a proponent of a rug over socks. Any chance you get in your house, making sure that there's no slick floors. But so far, these socks are working better than I expected, to be honest. So we've tested out the Pawks, anti-slip socks for dogs, and I have to be honest, I was pretty skeptical coming into this and pretty impressed with how Beans did with it. So the care rating is going to be worthy of consideration because I think this is going to be very dog dependent, so you'll have to try it out with your dog. For the cost of $10.99, it may be something that you will want to consider with your dog. Otherwise, looking at throw rugs, yoga mats around your house. For more videos like these and other tips, tricks, and tools to help your dog live a long, healthy, active life, be sure to check out caninearthritis.org.